Today, we're diving into the world of glittering opportunities gold. Join me as we uncover 7 compelling advantages that make investing in this precious metal a wise financial move. Gold's reputation as a hedge against inflation is deeply rooted in history. When currencies face devaluation due to inflation, gold tends to maintain its intrinsic value. Research by Bohr and McDermott has shown that during periods of rising inflation, gold often outperforms other assets, serving as a reliable store of value. This historical resilience to inflation makes gold an attractive option for investors looking to safeguard their wealth in times of economic uncertainty. Diversification is a fundamental principle of sound investing, and gold plays a pivotal role in achieving this balance. Bohr and Lucy argue that incorporating gold into a diversified investment portfolio can act as a counterbalance to traditional assets like stocks and bonds. By diversifying across different asset classes, investors can potentially reduce risk and enhance the stability of their overall portfolio. Gold's status as a safe haven asset becomes particularly evident during times of economic uncertainty or geopolitical unrest. Bohr and McDermott emphasizes that investors often flock to gold as a refuge due to its perceived intrinsic value and independence from government control. In turbulent times, the stability and reliability of gold make it an appealing choice for those looking to protect their wealth. One of gold's key advantages is its high liquidity. Telly and Lucy's research highlights that gold's liquidity allows for easy buying and selling without significantly impacting its price. This characteristic makes gold a versatile and accessible asset in the global market, providing investors with the flexibility to convert their holdings into cash when needed.
Well, viewers, if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, please subscribe now.
Gold has proven itself as a reliable preserver of wealth over the long term. Herb and Harvey's research delves into the historical trends, showcasing gold's ability to maintain its value across generations. Investors often turn to gold as a means of protecting their capital from the erosive effects of economic uncertainties. Gold scarcity, coupled with increasing global demand, contributes significantly to its investment appeal. Sinus research emphasizes the limited supply of gold, particularly given the resource-intensive process of extraction. This scarcity combined with growing demand enhances gold's value proposition in the eyes of investors. Unlike certain financial instruments, gold is a tangible asset with intrinsic value. Watson's research underscores this characteristic, highlighting that gold eliminates default risk. In a world where financial instruments may carry uncertainties, gold offers investors a reliable and independent store of value, immune to the risks associated with default. In conclusion, the advantages of investing in gold go beyond its aesthetic appeal. From acting as a hedge against inflation and providing portfolio diversification to serving as a safe haven asset during uncertain times, gold's unique characteristics make it a valuable addition to an investor's strategy. As we navigate the complex world of investments, considering the timeless allure of gold might just be the key to unlocking financial success. There you have it, folks. 7 compelling reasons why investing in gold might just be your ticket to financial success. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more golden insights, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.